All right, so there's one here, one here, one there. Those are the 3 bolts that hold the fan shroud to the block. There's a top mark right here. This one goes right there. Okay, where the top mark is, I put a mark right there just so I know where it is. Okay, to get the front shroud, top is right here. We have to put the fan in. The fan on this thing is left-hand thread, so I'm going the wrong way. So that way, 1 7/8 wrench. Getting the fan in. It's kind of a son of a gun. The fan inside the shroud. Careful we don't ding the radiator as we go in. All right, when you put the fan on and the shroud, so left-hand thread, okay, and that there's actually a tool to put that on. It's hard to show, but anyways, there's 3 bolts. One here. After we get the fan tight. One down here. And there's also one down here. Get those tightened up, the fan should be good.